morning, everyone. One of the things we're doing to try and help people protect people from this coronavirus, after servicing your car at Shade Tree Garage, what we are doing while Brian's wearing gloves, clean gloves, and touching your car, we will start the car, put the climate control on, have it in recirculation mode, and Brian's going to plug in an ozone generator. And we're going to run this inside the car while the car is running, recirculating the air for 20 minutes. And after the 20 minutes are up, the system will then shut down generating the ozone. It will circulate the air for another 10 minutes. At that point, we'll come back, open the car up, ventilate everything and exhaust it, and inside the car will be squeaky clean. No more bacteria, no more mold, and most importantly, no more virus.